Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer and my friends call me Miss DeWalt. In this video, I'll be unboxing and showing you the new DeWalt 20 volt max biscuit joiner. The model number is DCW682. This is part of DeWalt's XR Premium lineup of tools. Per the press release, it delivers up to 300 joints or 600 cuts per charge for powerful, consistent cutting performance and a wide range of wood-based material. This product was sent to me by DeWalt, so I want to thank them for trusting me to show their product to my followers. So let me open the box and show you exactly what is contained inside. So inside the packaging contents, you're going to find the tool itself. Okay, there's a manual, which I will be looking over. There is the dust collection bag, airlock compatible dust port, angled dust port, it's compatible with DeWalt's airlock system or a standard 35mm dust extractor to minimize dust during cutting. System and extractor sold separately. Spanner wrench, T20 torque wrench. Now the blade already comes pre-installed, but to replace it, you're going to need both of these tools, and it's done. I'm not going to take it apart. I'll do that in a separate video when it's time to replace that. But hang on, this is good for making adjustments, and you will need both of them when replacing the blade. Users achieve accurate results with number 0, 10, and 20 biscuits. It has tool-free adjustment features, and the bare tool weighs 5.5 pounds. It measures approximately from the base of the tool to about where the battery ends is about 14 inches, and across at the widest points, it's about 5.5 inches. Now you've got the bag on there, but again, you can take that off. You can run it without the bag, and you can put the other port on there that makes it directional. Some of the key features include the following: a brushless motor with a variable speed trigger, which provides powerful and consistent cutting performance for most biscuit size. A paddle switch design accommodates left and right hand users. An electric brake quickly stops the blade after the trigger is released. A dual rack and pinion fence design along with tool-free depth, height, and bevel adjustments. An integral fence, which allows users to quickly and easily adjust the bevel capacity between 0 and 90 degrees. Depth selection knob to allow users to easily adjust between number 0, 10, and 20 biscuits, which are sold separately. Now there's an M on here, as you can see, which the manual states is a function and setting that is rarely used, but it does stand for the maximum depth capacity of the tool, which is 25-30 seconds or 20 millimeters. Retractable anti-slip pins adjust the holding material in place. Right here on the top is the spindle lock, and then the anti-slip pins are in here. It's also compatible with all DeWalt 20 volt max batteries, which are sold separately as well. The biscuit joiner is a handy addition to any shop or job site and is available through my affiliates, which I'll put in the description of this video. It sells for around $279 as a bare tool and without biscuits. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service contract, and 90-day money-back guarantee. The maximum initial battery voltage measured without a workload is 20 volts. The nominal voltage is 18. Please leave any questions about anything I might have forgotten to cover, and please subscribe here so you don't miss future videos, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.